Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Music Theory Tuition series. It's coming up to exam entry time. If you're looking to enter to take the ABRSM Grade 1 exam, I'd like to help you on your way. There are 85 videos uploaded to my channel to help you in your studies. You'll find the link to the playlist in the cards and also in the description box. First of all, you must work your way through the ABRSM Music Theory and Practice workbook. In my theory tuition videos, I work through every single exercise with you and I explain how to understand everything you need to know for the exam. On my website, I also provide free PDF information sheets with information to accompany every step along the way. If you visit sharonbill.com, you can download these PDFs in US letter or A4. Each section of the PDF corresponds to a section in the workbook. So for example, if you open your workbook to the first exercises, you can see you're expected to understand time values, and I've referred to this as section A, and on the PDFs you'll see section A, all the information that you need to know, and then in the videos I work through every question with you and explain how to understand the information to come to the correct answers. So if you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find those PDF information sheets there. From 2018 onwards, ABRSM have revised the exam syllabus, and I'll just show you which sections are affected. So if you turn to the back of the book to the section, so this is page 22, composing and answering rhythm. This question no longer appears on the exam paper. From 2018 onwards, the revised exam syllabus no longer includes this. However, I do work through some examples with you. And so if you look at exercise 1 on page 23, I work through these with you because these are really important principles just for beaming notes generally. And again, you'll find the information in the PDF sheets here. So if you turn to section P, you can find all the information explained it there as well, and I go through every one of these exercises with you in the videos. You'll find the links to those in the playlist. And then also at the very back of the book, the performance directions. These questions now, of course you still need to understand all of these, and in the PDF sheets I give you a little opportunity to see how to revise these, just tips on how to group these for revision, and also I give you a little opportunity to test yourself. However, on the newly revised exam papers, these will be presented to you in a multiple choice format. I'm not sure that that makes it any easier. However, that's the way it's going to appear on your exam paper now. Sometimes a red herring can just throw you off the scent, so you still need to know these. So they are the two changes to the exam. However, that doesn't change the fact that you still need to know the information. I've also written an exam technique guidebook. Here I give hints and tips on how to best prepare for your exam, and also how to make the best use of your time on exam day. And you can find details on how to find this book on my website. Again, if you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find all the information that you need there. Past papers are an excellent revision resource, and I've worked through many of these from previous years with you, and I'll put a further video up with the links explaining how I guide you through these past papers too. The links to get you started will be in the cards and also in the description, or you can find everything you need for your studies through my website. So if you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find everything you need there. I hope you enjoy your studies. If you can give me a like, that would be really super, and please do subscribe to my channel to stay in touch. There's lots more to come, and please do visit sharonbill.com and make use of all of the resource and information that's available there to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.